Hey there, if you're trying to log in into your Epic Games account but can't quite remember your email or your password, in this video, I will teach you how to find your Epic Games email and password easily. Now, at the top right corner, click your Google account's profile and tap Passwords and Autofill. Now, select Google Password Manager. Now, in here, upon registration in Epic Games, if you allowed the Google to save your details, you can navigate all the information like your passwords and email. Now, let's click the saved epicgames.com website. And there you go. You're able to see the stored email and password, and you can also update your information here if you may change your email or password on the official Epic website. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.